So we want to continue with our drawing. Basically what we want to do today is to draw the ridge, but let me create two new surfaces. I want two new surfaces, white one. Yeah, let's create two new surfaces. So we want to create two new surfaces, then we continue and stick to the end. Later on we are going to have some announcement, so stick to the end and please don't skip the ads. So what I want to do first, before we go to the ridge, I think there is this design that we had created initially. I feel like it will look more nicer if you have it at the top side. So I'm going to suspend groups. Once I've suspended the groups, I'm just copying, dragging a copy of what I had drawn at the bottom. So I'm dragging a copy again. It was 250. So you drag 250, yeah. So for now that is 1000. I mean the interval between, you remember how we were doing it, the interval was 50. So yeah, I wanted this one to extend from the bottom to the top near the window. I feel like it will look more nicer that way than how it was before. So, and now I'm going to drag this one to this point again. Like I feel like it will look more nicer. If I'm too fast, you can play with slow speed. Anyways, so what we want to do today is we want to add on the ridge. And whenever you come to the ridge, there is what we call the inclination angle. You just go to the object and search the ridge. There is the inclination angle. So once you place your ridge in place, you have to check like what is the pitch of your roof. So in my case, the pitch was the pitch of the roof. So if you go to Control T, then you can see the inclination angle of the, so the pitch of my roof, I click the roof, then Control T, then my pitch was 45 degrees. So I want to change the inclination angle of the ridge to 36. You take your pitch minus 9. It always, for me it always works that way. Take your pitch minus 9. Don't use your ridge at the same angle with your roof, I mean with the pitch of the roof. Take the pitch of the roof minus 9, it will work. So then after that, all you have to do is just to change the elevation, like the location, the elevation of your ridge. And once you have it in place, of course you switch it to a different position. That is just Control Shift D, then I drag it to a different position. But of course when you take it to a different position, you are going to have you will have to reset it again. But once you do more, you get used to it. Just make sure your angle is 36 in my case, because my roof pitch was 45. If your roof pitch is 22, then your inclination angle is going to be minus 9. Yeah? It always works, and you have just to play around with it and it will work. Once you're done, of course, once it works, you just copy a mirror. I just have to mirror it to where I want it to be and continue the same thing. So from this point to the end, it's just going to be the continuation of the same thing. So I'm just going to play some music. If I've not explained well, please, yeah, you can ask and I'll try to explain it well. So So when you go to these vertical ones, the horizontal ones, you make your angle to be inclination angle to be 0, just 0, then you change the position, and it will be better if you work from the elevations. It is easy to change it that way. So yeah, you just repeat the same thing over and over again, repeating and again. But once you do several, you will get good at it. Yeah, you just have to practice and do more, then you will get how the ridge works. So yeah, but before you do, sometimes it can seem like a lot of work and tiresome. It is actually very tiresome to do the ridge. It takes a lot of time. So, but of course, once you become good at it, you will just master. You can see, even for me, I'm not that good. I keep on trying at different elevations. But of course, the best way is to work from the elevations once you see it. So from this point, what I wanted to say is we will be having a rendering challenge that will run for a month. If you can able to render this the best way using your own the software that you're using, yeah, the best person will win only 2k. 2k is not that a lot of money, but yeah, if you think you can be able to do the best rendering or visualization of this drawing, please do it, and you can send it to me to my email. I'm going to leave it in the description. So yeah, the period will run for a month from now. I think I'll be able to write it in the description as well, and you can try the best you can with the software that you know, the software that you have, and then you can send it to me. I tried to have a see you then. I think from this point we are done. We are supposed to do interior design, but I'm not sure if I'm going to go to it. But if I get time, or if there are more people who are interested, if you're interested in the interior design of the same, please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, if there are many people who are interested in the interior design of the same, then we shall begin. We might do the master bedroom and the kitchen as well. But if there is none, then there is no point. See you then.